Hey guys, this is John from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have this really rusted part and we're going to see if we can remove it. So guys, we occupy in a very old factory. This factory has been around since like the 1800s. So, since we've came into this building, we've done a lot of renovations. And while we were doing these renovations, one of our guys found this. Now, I don't know what this is. If you guys know what this is, leave it in the comments below, but it looks like it's like a roller of some kind. I don't know where it's from, but as you can tell, this is really rusted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in our vapor honing machine and we're gonna use aluminum oxide to remove this heavy rust. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're gonna take this roller, I'm gonna call it a roller, and we're gonna put it inside this VH800 fully loaded, which funny enough, this is one of the original plastic vapor honing systems that John made back in the day. And as you can tell, we definitely use this machine a lot in the showroom. So, like I said before, we're going to remove the rust off with aluminum oxide, and the mesh size for this one is 220. So, as far as like removing any heavy duty rust, aluminum oxide is the go-to abrasive. Glass bead can remove rust, but only light corrosion. So without further ado, let's get started. But right there, as you can tell, very immediate results. That's what it is, immediate results. With aluminum oxide and the water mixed together. As you can tell, it's not really damaging the surface of the part. With water, it's just rolling through the surface, but getting rid of that rust, immediate. So I'm gonna continue on, and shouldn't take me long. All right, let's take a look. And it looks incredible. So that heavy duty rust is completely gone. Rust was no match for the aluminum oxide, 220. And here I noticed while I was blasting, I didn't notice this while it was in its original rusted form, but you could definitely see some numbers, some lettering. Yeah, so I just never noticed all these numbers after it was covered up all in rust. So it looks incredible. So I think that's really it for now. Let me dry this off and we'll end the video here. All right guys, and we're back. And as you can see, the rust was no match to the 220 aluminum oxide. It easily stripped and removed all the rust. And after I took it out of the machine, I noticed it started to flash rust. So easy fixed. We have our own corrosion inhibitor and I put it into the machine. It's like 3 ounces. Put it in the machine, went back a second time, and here it is, what it should be. So guys, if you have any more questions about vapor honing, you can call our sales team at 828-202-5563. We also have a website, www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and again, thanks for watching.